Welcome to our tutorial on how to delete all reels you've shared by date on Instagram on PC with the new update. Follow these simple steps to clean up your profile in no time. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. Look for the More icon or three dots at the bottom left corner of the screen and click on it. Next, click on Your Activity from the options. This will take you to your activity page where you can manage your shared content. Now, navigate to the Photos and Videos section, and then to the Reels section. Here, you will find all the reels you have shared. Click on Sort and Filter to organize the reels by date. Enter the start date and end date for the period of the reels you want to delete. Click on Apply to filter out the reels within the specified dates. Click on Select and choose all the reels you wish to delete. Once you have selected the reels, click on Delete and confirm the action. Congratulations! You have successfully deleted all the reels you shared within the selected time frame. Keep your Instagram profile clean and clutter-free with this easy method. That's it for today's tutorial. We hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. See you in the next video.